Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see time and work. Okay. In the last class we have seen the compound variation and time and work. We shall recall that. In a camp there are 420 kg of rice sufficient for 98 persons for 45 days. The number of days that 60 kg of rice will last for 42 persons is dash. Okay. Solution. Rice, men, days. Rice in kg. Okay. 420 kg of rice for 98 persons, that is men, and 45 days. Okay. Then 60 kg of rice, then 42 persons, and x days. That you have to find. Okay. Here the unknown is in days, so you have to unknown x. Okay, so you have to compare these days with rice and men. Okay, so first we shall compare rice and days. More rice, more days. Direct proportion, that is 60 by 420. We have to write in reciprocal. Okay, then men increases, days decreases. If men increases, the rice using days was decreases, isn't it? So inverse proportion, that is 98 by 42, no change. Okay, so x is equal to 45 into 60 by 420 into 98 by 42. Okay, now you have to cancel all this. Okay, then 92, 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42. Then 7 ones are 7, here also 7 ones are 7, 2. 4 sevens are 28. Okay, now we can cancel 14 ones are 14, then 14 threes are 42. Okay, now you cancel 3 1 times, here 1 times 3, then remainder 1 15, 5 times, so 15 days. Answer, number of days is equal to 15. Now we shall see one time and work problem. Vikram can do 1/3 of work in P days. He can do 3/4 of work in dash days. One-third of a work will be done in P days. Okay. Full work will be completed in 3P days. 3/4 of the work will be done in 3/4 into 3P. 3/4 into 3P. So 9P by 4. That is equal to 2 1/4. You have to write this in mixed fraction. That is 2 1/4 P days. Answer, 3/4 of the work will be done in 2 1/4 P days. And exercise 4.4. Sixth problem. A can do a piece of work in 12 hours. B and C can do it in 3 hours. Whereas A and C can do it in 6 hours. How long will B alone take to do the same work? Solution. Time taken by A to complete the work is 12 hours. So for 1 hour, A's work for 1 hour is equal to 1/12. Take us 1. B plus C complete the work in 3 hours. So B plus C's 1 hour work is equal to 1/3. That is the second one. So now A plus B plus C is 1 hour work. That is 1/12. That is 1/12 A's work, and B plus C's work is 1/3. So you have to add both. Then we will get A plus B plus C's 1 hour work. That is, you have to see the LCM for this, because here it is plus. So if you see in LCM, you have to multiply this 3 by 4. 4 3s are 12. So both the denominators are 12. So you have taken one time. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5/12. Okay. Then A plus B plus C's 1 hour work is equal to 5/12. Okay. Then A plus C's 1 hour work is 1/6. A plus C's 1 hour work is 1/6. Okay. B's 1 hour work is you have to subtract from this A plus C is 1 hour work. Okay, A plus B plus C is 1 hour work minus A plus C, the C is 1 hour work. Okay, now B's work we will get. So 5 by 12 minus 1 by 6. Okay, so here it is minus. So you have to see the LCM. If you multiply this 6 by 2, we will get 12. So 12 is the LCM for this. Take 1 time 12. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is, yes, 3. 3 by 12. That is 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. So 1 by 4. Answer. B alone can complete the work in 4 days. That is 1 by 4. Okay. Then you can write this reciprocal means 4 by 1. So 4 days. Then 7th problem. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B and C can do it in 15 days, whereas A and C can do it in 20 days. How long would each take to do the same work? Solution. A and B can do the piece of work in 12 days. So B plus C complete the work in 15 days and A plus C complete the work in 20 days. These are all given. Okay. Now A and B, that is A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12. Okay. Then B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 15. Then A plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 20. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3. You have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus E, sorry, A, C plus A or A plus C. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Okay. Now you have to see LCM for these all. Is all LCM is 12, 15, 20. Okay, 12, 15, 20. By 5 table, 12 it won't go, so to keep 12. Then 5 3s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Then again you can divide by 3. 4 3s are 12, 1 3 is 3, 4. Then 4 table 1 times all comes. So 5 3s are 15, 4s are 60 is the LCM. Okay, by you have to multiply. These are all by a number to make the denominators 60. So LCM of the 12, 15 and 20 is 60. Okay. Now we shall see the LCM. Here 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60. So into 5 into 5 plus 15 4s are 60. Isn't it? Into 4 into 4. You see here 12 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So I am multiplying this by 5. Here 15. 5 3s are 15. So I am multiplying both by 4. Then 20. 5 4s are 20. So I am multiplying by 3. Okay. 5 plus 4 plus 3 by 60 is equal to 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 2 12. 12 by 60. 1 times and 5 times. So 1 by 5. So here A plus B, B plus C and A plus C. So A comes 2 times, B comes 2 times and C comes 2 times, isn't it? So I am taking this as 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now we have to bring this 2. That side means it will come to reciprocal into 1 by 2. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 2. Okay. You are taking 2 common and bringing that 2 that side means it will come to the reciprocal 1 by 2. 5 2s are 10. Okay, have you understood? Okay. Now A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10. We have written all A plus B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 10, isn't it? From that we are going to subtract B plus C's 1 day work. Then we will get A's 1 day work, isn't it? So minus B plus C's 1 day work. That is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. Now you have to see LCM but for 10 and 15. For 10 and 15 is 30. We want you to do like this 15. Then 5 table 2 times 3 times. Again 2 times and 2 5 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. So you have to multiply this 10 by 3. Okay. Here 15 by 2. 3 minus 2 by 30 is equal to 1 by 30. So A's one day work is 1 by 30. Then A takes to complete the work 1 by 30 is equal to 30 days. A takes to complete the whole work in 30 days. Okay. Now you have to see B's one day work. So we know A plus B plus C is one day work minus A plus C is one day work. Then we will get the B's one day work. So 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20 is equal to, here you have to see LCM. So you have to multiply 2. So 20. 1 times take 1 times 2 minus 1. 1 by 20. B's one day work is 1 by 20. Then B takes to complete the work is equal to 1 by 20 in 20 days. Okay. Here B's one day work is equal to 1 by 20. So B takes to complete the whole work is equal to in 20 days. C's one day work we have to calculate now. A plus B plus C's one day work is 1 by 10. From that we have to subtract. Yes, A plus B's one day work. Yeah, A plus B's one day work is 1 by 12. Yeah, so 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. You have to see LCM for 10 and 12. So 2 times 5, then 6 2s are 12. Again 5, 1 times 6, 3, 1 times 2, again 2. Okay. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 32s are, yes, 60 is the LCM here. Okay. LCM is equal to 60. Now you have to multiply this 10 by 6. Then this 12 by 5. So 6 minus 5 divided by both are 60. So you are taking one time. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 60. C takes to complete the work is equal to 60 days. C takes to complete the work is equal to 60 days. How? 1 by 60. Then we will come to the reciprocal. So 60 days. So we have found that A takes to complete the whole work in 30 days. B takes to complete the whole work in 20 days. Then C takes to complete the whole work in 60 days. Okay. Then we shall see the 8th problem. 8th one. Carpenter A takes 15 minutes to fit the parts of a chair, while carpenter B takes 3 minutes more than A to do the same work. Working together, how long will it take for them to fit the parts for 22 chairs? Time taken by A to fit a chair, 15 minutes. Time taken by B to fit a chair, that is 3 more minutes. 15 plus 3 minutes, 18 minutes. A's 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 15. B's 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 18. Okay. Now you have to see A plus B's 1 minute work. So you have to add both. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 18. That is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 18. You have to see LCM for both. 15, 18. Divide by 3. 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. Okay, now you multiply all. 6 5s are 30 plus 30 into 3, 90. 30 into 3 is 90. So LCM is equal to 90. Now you have to change the denominators to 90. So if you multiply 15, 5 3s are 15 into 6, isn't it? So you multiply 6, both numerator and denominator, then denominator will come as 90. Okay, 90. Here, in the numerator is 6. Here 18. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. So you are multiplying both by 5. 6 plus 5. by 90. That is 11 by 90 minutes. So A plus B's 1 minute work is 11 by 90 minutes. So time taken A plus B to fit a chair is equal to 1 by 11 by 90. So write in reciprocal 90 by 11 minutes. Okay. So time taken A plus B to fit 22 chairs, that is 90 by 11 into 22. So now you cancel 11 one times, 22 two times. 92s are 180 minutes. Okay. So 180 by 60 hours. 0, 0. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So 3 hours. Have you understood? Okay. 180 minutes means 60 minutes, 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Isn't it? So 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 60, 180. So 3 hours. Answer. Time taken A plus B to fit 22 chairs is equal to 3 hours. Ninth problem. A can do a work in 45 days. He works at it for 15 days and then B alone finishes the remaining work in 24 days. Find the time taken to complete 80% of the work if they work together. Solution. A completes the work in 45 days. So A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 45. So A works for 15 days is equal to 1 by 45 into 15. So A works 1 by 3. 15 ones are 15. 15 threes are 45. So A works for 15 days, that is 1 by 3 work. 1 by 3 of the work A did. Remaining work is 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 1 is the whole work. In that we are subtracting A's 15 days work. That is 1 by 3. Now we have to see LCM into 3 into 3. So 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So remaining work is 2 by 3. B finishes 2 by 3rd work of the 24 days. So B's 1 day work is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 24. That is 12. 2 ones are 2. 12 twos are 24. The 12 threes are 36 here. So 1 by 36. B's 1 day work is 1 by 36. So A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 145 plus 1 by 36. So you have to see LCM for 45 and 36. That is 9 table, 5 times, here 4 times. So all are in different tables. So you have to multiply all. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 9 is 180. So the LCM here is LCM is equal to 180. So I am multiplying these denominators and bringing that denominators to 180. So here 180 no. So 45. 9 5s are 45, remaining 4. So 4 4 I am multiplying. Here 36. 9 4s are 36. I am multiplying both by 5. So 4 by 180. Here 5 by 180. So 4 plus 5 by 180 is equal to 9 by 180. Can cancel 1 times. Here 2. 20. So 1 by 20. A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20. Let X is days required. 1 by X 20 into X is equal to 80 by 100. That is 80% of work. So you are taking as 80 by 100. 1 by 20 into X is equal to 80 by 100. So X is equal to 80 by 100 into, you are bringing this 20 this side, means it will come to the numerator. So 80 into 20 is, you cancel zeros. So 8 2s are 16. 16 days. So time taken to complete 80% of work is equal to 16 days. Okay, have you understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.